हाय एवरीवन। गुड आफ्टरनून। कल के सेशन में हमने देखा था कई लोगों के क्वेश्चंस थे रिगार्डिंग स्क्रीनर एंड हाउ टू फाइंड अ वैल्यू स्टॉक्स all those things. So today we will be covering those. Okay, we'll start in another 5 minutes. So if you guys are available, do let me know and then we can start it. Okay. गाइस आप लोग आ जाएं तो एक बार कमेंट कर दीजिएगा तो मेरे को मालूम चल जाएगा आप लोग आ गए तो वी कैन स्टार्ट देन. So I'll open screener and then based on our discussion we'll do it together. So let me know once you're available. Guys ping me. कल किसने पूछा था? Let me search for the name. संदीप था. संदीप ने पूछा था. आकांक्षा, मेहुल, रजत, और कौन था? विश्वास. आप लोग आ जाएं तो एक बार कमेंट कर दीजिए so we can start then. We'll start our session based on the post. So post में मैंने डाला हुआ है कि क्या क्या आज देखेंगे. How to figure out some valued stocks. So that like how to discover it through the screener is what was requested. So वो अपन एक बार start कर लेंगे. Just comment me once you are available. जो available होगा डाल देना जो interested है. Can we start? I think nobody Sandeep, I think you asked me over the Instagram. Sandeep, Pooja, Anikesh, Rawat, Subodh. Yeah, these people. Guys, ping me once you're available so we can start. I'll give another. I joined bit early, like, but let's wait for 10 minutes and then we'll start. मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ यार। अभी अभी जस्ट स्टार्ट किया मैंने। पोस्ट में डाला था 3:15। आई विन वनीमल। वी विल स्टार्ट इन 10 मिनट्स मैक्सिमम। यदि उन्होंने इंस्टाग्राम पे, मैंने उनको मैसेज कर दिया था। दे आस्क्ड मी यस्टरडे, तो बेस्ड ऑन दैट आई मैसेज देम। बट या, लेट्स स्टार्ट। विल वेट फॉर मैक्सिमम 5 मिनट्स, ओके, अदरवाइज विल स्टार्ट। Vanimala, up, did you see the post? And this is regarding what? Whether you require it, or like whether you want. Like we are trying to find some undervalued stock based on the yesterday discussion. Like in night, what we discussed. A lot of people have requested Sandeep, Anikesh, Ram Mohar. These all people asked. So based on that, we are going to do that. If it is like fits under your requirement, then you can attend it. Otherwise, I think you can leave. Meanwhile, guys, can you so we can start? So other will also get notified. More the attraction, the algorithm will understand, and I think they will get a notified as well. So we can start in between. Okay, let me start then. Okay, so based on the yesterday's request, so what I try to do it, like we try to find out some of the undervalued stock, okay, or sold stock. So there is one component, क्या कहते हैं उसको, RSI, like RSI यदि 30-31 के आसपास है तो वो मतलब ओवरसोल्ड जोन में है। तो अपना पहला पैरामीटर, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस टूल इज स्क्रीनर, ओके। सो दिस इज स्क्रीनर टूल, एंड बेस्ड ऑन दैट लाइक वी डिड इट। तो सबसे पहले क्या किया अपन ने, यहाँ पे RSI लिया है अपन ने <35। एंड अपने को माइक्रो कैप कंपनीज और स्मॉल कैप में उतना है नहीं, तो उतना इंटरेस्ट नहीं है। तो अपन ने क्या किया है, मार्केट कैपिटलाइजेशन वी टुक इट एज मोर देन 10,000। 1 second, guys. Let me stop the comment. Somebody is telling due to comment we can't read. Okay, now can you read? Guys, can someone confirm whether they are able to see? ओके, परफेक्ट। ओके, सो व्हाट वी डिड इट, यहाँ पे RSI अपन ने लिया है कि जो नियर अबाउट ओवरसोल्ड वाली रेंज में है, जो बहुत ज़्यादा बेरिश पड़ा हुआ है। मार्केट कैपिटलाइजेशन उसमें लिया है अपन ने कि वो 1,000 से ऊपर होना चाहिए। 1,000 crores. And promoter holding, we need some value stock, so we don't like, we buy always where promoter also shows some interest. तो हमने यहाँ पे क्या किया है कि ऐसा स्टॉक लिया है जिसमें प्रोमोटर होल्डिंग एटलीस्ट मिनिमम इट इज मोर देन 40%, एंड FI होल्डिंग is more than 4% and DI होल्डिंग हमने उसमें डोमेस्टिक भी कवर किया है, तो डोमेस्टिक होल्डिंग DI होल्डिंग्स 5 है. And intrinsic value, where intrinsic value should be more than, means company current value should be more than the current price. And price to earning, our price to earning should not be too high, okay, and not to be too low, because it varies, like domain से domain differ करती है. For like manufacturing it will be different, for IT it will be quite higher. So what we did it, price to earning on the average we took it near about less than 25. And year or year quarterly sales growth we have taken it as 40, like 20, sorry. So इतना तो मिनिमम होना ही चाहिए कि ईयर ऑन कंपनी एक्सपेंड कर रही हो, कंपनी अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रही हो हर साल, ओके, और हर क्वार्टर में भी, तो उसके लिए अपन ने 20% लिया हुआ है. तो ये क्वेरी है. So this is how we can write a query into like what was asked to me into screener, and from there you can find some value stock. So if we see on executing this query, we got it ACC. हमें ACC ये मिला. So if you study this, okay, the present value is 1772, okay, market cap near about 33,000, okay, current price is 1772, okay, and P, if you can see the P is near about 10. It is a manufacturing company, so it should not be more than 30, like cement based or consumable, so it can't be more than 30 or 2025 also. So it is in good P value. Face value, if you'll see, it is good, near about 10, okay. And other parameters, if we include and try to compare with others, okay, see Ultratech, Grasim, Ambuja, She Cement or JK Cement, the P ratio with compared to the all other companies, it is good, it's very good, okay, what I can say, it is good. And यहाँ पे सेल्स देखेंगे तो सेल्स भी इसका इंक्रीज हो रहा है, ओके. द प्रॉफिट ऑपरेटिंग मार्जिन OPM, इफ यू विल सी अर्लियर इट इज़ नॉट कांस्टेंट, बट अभी जीएसटी रेट कट करने के बाद ये इंक्रीज हुआ है, मेरे को लगता है ये और ज़्यादा इंक्रीज होगा. एंड टैक्स बिफोर प्रॉफिट बिफोर टैक्स, इट इज़ ऑल्सो गुड. तो अपन ने ईपीएस निकाल के अपने क्वेरी में ईपीएस भी डाला है, तो वहाँ से देख सकते हैं. एंड नेट प्रॉफिट इज़ इंक्रीजिंग. So based on the query and the data from previous financial years or quarters, what it is showing that this company is presently undervalued and have a lot of significance, like it can make some jump as well. So things looks good here. And अपन इसमें देखेंगे promoter holding, and that is also significantly is very good, like near about 56.69%. And FII is also increasing the holding. DII have sold it little bit, government also keeps some holding there, and in public it is near about 15.5%. So this is how, if we need to add some more columns, edit ratios, okay, so we need to have sales, OPM, okay. This I'm just showing you for you people that you can see price to earning, dividend yield, price to book ratio, okay, industry P, intrinsic value, okay. So these all things you can see it from here. So we have added the OPM also. For other, if you'll see, it's near operating profit margin is near about 18.35. ACC का कितना है 14 है. इसके कारण ही इसका थोड़ा वो, जब ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट मार्जिन बढ़ेगा, ओके, विच इट हैव शोड इन प्रीवियस क्वार्टर, तो अपन कंपेयर करें जेके सीमेंट, डालमिया, श्री सीमेंट और बाकी सबसे, तो उनका ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट मार्जिन ज़्यादा है और एसीसी का कम है. तो जैसे ही इंक्रीज करेगा ये, then I think it will move up, okay. But presently, based on other parameters, presently this looks undervalued and the OPM is increasing. So I think this company is going to do good in future. and based on the GST data as well. Sanjay, I don't know whether Sandeep and other people have joined or not this session. Like based on their request only, we did it. But if you guys understood little bit, do let me know. And if you have some other queries, we can run it and we can see if you need to figure out some other data. अपन सेकंड क्वेरी अब देखेंगे where intrinsic values are very much less with respect to the other, and that we'll figure out in another 5 minutes. We'll start that as well. Meanwhile, guys, please like and we'll wait for the others also. I'll just ping them on Insta. Hi, Sneha. Sneha, I think you also asked yesterday, right? How to execute queries on screener to find undervalued stock. We'll be covering much more than that, but I'm not sure. But some of the people asked. I think I remember your name. You were one of them. If not, maybe then sorry for that. But yeah, I do. I think so. Did you get it? Any questions on that? There was one more. Three of. I took a name Sandeep, Kailash. I think your name was also there. Whether it was helpful. Now, can you do it by your own? Oh, you joined right now. Okay, so let me go back. So what we try to do it because yesterday I think while ending the session somebody asked. Sorry, I'll switch between both English and Hindi so सब लोग को समझ में आए और let me know what type of audience is there. So उसके basis पे मैं change करता रहूँगा. तो कल के end के session में there were a couple of people who asked like on the screener how to find it, valued stocks, okay, and how to discover them if I can teach them, okay, regarding that. So क्या किया अभी अपन ने थोड़ी देर पहले we started near about 20 minutes before. So what we did it, we tried to run some query into a screener based on the different parameters. So उनमें से एक पैरामीटर है RSI. Okay, so RSI if it is less than 31 then it is considered as oversold. तो ज़्यादा बेच दिया गया है उसको तो वो कंसिडर होता है. तो RSI we took it like okay near by oversold zone. तो near by 35 का अपन ने लिया. मार्केट कैपिटलाइजेशन we don't want to invest into बहुत छोटी कंपनी में हमें इन्वेस्ट नहीं करना है. तो what we did it we took more than 1000 जहाँ एंड प्रोमोटर होल्डिंग जहाँ पे अपने को ऐसा चाहिए जहाँ पे प्रोमोटर को भी विश्वास हो अपनी उसकी कंपनी में. तो वी नीड समथिंग लाइक प्रोमोटर होल्डिंग more than 40% and FI है. देयर इज सम इंटरेस्ट फ्रॉम द FI एज वेल. ओके और DI का 5% लिया है और इंट्रेंसिक वैल्यू मीन्स द कंपनी का जो अभी एक्चुअल वैल्यू है बेस्ड ऑन द वैल्यूएशन. ओके सो व्हाट शुड बी द करंट प्राइस ऑफ दैट कंपनी दैट इज व्हाट इज शोन बाय द इंट्रेंसिक वैल्यू पैरामीटर. तो हमने लिया है कि इंट्रेंसिक वैल्यू ज़्यादा होना चाहिए मतलब जो जो बुक्स कहती है जो उसकी वैल्यू होनी चाहिए उस वैल्यू से अभी कम चल रहा है. एंड प्राइस टू अर्निंग वी नीड इट इज़ लाइक ए कमोडिटी इन सीमेंट बिजनेस. सो 25 ठीक है हो सकता है. सो ऑन एवरेज आउट लाइक वी डिड इट फॉर IT कंपनीज इट विल बी हायर. For financial sectors it will be lower than that and for commodity it will be lower than below than that. So on average out of all three what we did it we took as a 25 एंड अपना दूसरा चीज़ लिया अपन ने क्वार्टर ऑन क्वार्टर सेल्स ग्रोथ बढ़ता रहना चाहिए. So based on that, on running this out of like all the industry, we found one company called as ACC. ACC को जो अपन ने उसके यहाँ पे उसका वो दिख रहा है मार्केट कैपिटलाइजेशन करंट प्राइस. ओके हाई कहाँ कितना गया था. स्टॉक पी देखेंगे अभी तो 10.3 है एंड देर विल बी समवेयर कॉल्ड एज इंडस्ट्री पी at the end if you see. Let me move it up so you guys can see. So industry P is near about 34. So means industry is growing at 34 and for this it is near about 10.3 which is less than 34.1. So it have lot of potential then in there. And why it is not working, so that we try to find out. So you can see it's a like oversold zone. Okay, यहाँ पे company has delivered poor sales growth of yeah that we saw sales growth but it is increasing now. Company has low return equity. Okay, earning includes other income. Okay, that also we saw. Dividend payout that does not matter to us. So we compared here with other companies Ultratech, Grasim, Ambuja, Shri, JK, Dalmia, and there we found like the PE of the company is near about 10.3 with compared to other people. Okay, तो वो अपन ने देखा है यहाँ से and we saw that sales is it's constant like it's not that much increasing. Okay, it's constant. So sales उसका operating profit margin is also impacted because we saw later on like in OPM it is coming near about like 19, 14, 13 and 14 but government के अभी GST push के कारण मेरे को लगता है this will move little bit up and then profit before tax इतना है और net profit is also increasing and sales we saw that sales like we put a criteria as well that sales should increase 20% every time. So that is there. ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट और बाकी सब भी ठीक है, तो ये कंपनी सही लग रही है. अब उसको कब पुश मिलता है, जब उसका ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट मार्जिन वो इंक्रीज करेगा, देन इट विल मूव. दिस इज व्हाट वी कवर्ड, and then we will cover some other one. And just give me 2 minutes, I'll be back. Meanwhile, guys, just like, post your question or any stocks if you want to do a fundamental analysis or want to do a technical analysis of that stock. Meanwhile, you can post it. It's a small session. We will be here for another 30 minutes. So we'll quickly wind up and we'll meet in evening. But yeah, if you need something, I just created this based on the multiple requests what I got it from multiple people. Okay, I'll be back in some minutes. I'm back, guys. Let's see. भाई कब से इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो? भाई मैं 2021 2021 से 2021 से कर रहा हूँ. I started in September 2021. From 1 year I was not doing any investment. I did some profit booking after that, but now I think like my market is going to be up, so I have invested heavily in last 1.5 months. Want to invest 30 lakhs for 15 years. Can you help me to make portfolio? Man, we can't predict for so long, but yeah, you can keep it like आप उसका ड्यूरेशन कम कर सकते हो थोड़ा शॉर्ट ड्यूरेशन में। हाँ, आपको मॉनिटर करते रहना पड़ेगा आपका फंड। ऐसे नहीं है कि आप 30 साल को लगा कर छोड़ दो तो चलता रहेगा। 30 lakhs फॉर 15 ईयर्स, सॉरी 15 ईयर्स के लिए छोड़ नहीं सकते। आपको हर साल उसको आके एक बार एवेल्युएट तो करना ही पड़ेगा। But yeah, you can search for good stocks. I can't help you, like I can't recommend you the stocks, but yeah, I can guide you like how to filter out some of the stocks there. Anshu Yadav, hi Anshu. Guys, any questions or should we move ahead? Singh Yura, hi Yuraj. Let me check 1 second Telegram. I'm not sure why they don't shine here and text there. Take it, you guys can text here as well on YouTube. What platform is this? It's a Grow man. ग्रो का प्लेटफॉर्म है ये। ग्रो, यस यस, यू राइट युवराज, ग्रो है ये। आई हैव टू पुट डिफरेंट, लाइक आई मैनेज इन टू डिफरेंट एप्स। one is this and another is the recent one, like I started in up stocks. SBI डायनेमिक फंड में इन्वेस्ट किया हूँ, SIP चल रहा है, कैसा रहेगा? लेट मी चेक 1 second guys. I'll check for SIP SBI Dynamics. Yeah, it's doing good guys. वनीमला सही है, अच्छा है, इट्स डूइंग गुड। अभी तो उसका एलोकेशन भी अच्छा है, लाइक It looks balanced. It is having good like स्मॉल कैप से निकला है तो सही है, और उसके बाद मिड लार्ज और मिड है. ओके, एंड डिविडेंड भी रहेगा. So it's good, it's a balanced one, so it will not go give lot of like money or returns, but yeah, it's good, it's a balanced one. Should we move? मीशो को होल्ड, लॉस मेकिंग कंपनी है. ओके, दीज ऑल कंपनीज. ओके, उसका लिस्टिंग बहुत अच्छा हुआ, सब कुछ ठीक है, बट ऑन फाइनेंशियल्स इट्स ऑल अभी तक तो लॉस मेकिंग ही है. आपको मार्केट में इससे बहुत अच्छा ऑप्शंस मिलेगा. ओके, सो आप लोग वो देखते हैं कि हाँ, आपको डायरेक्ट लाइक आपको एलोकेट हो गया है ऐसे, मतलब आईपीओ आप में आ गया है, आप बुक करिए अपना प्रॉफिट. एंड देयर आर लॉट ऑफ अदर कंपनीज हु हैव गिवन और हु आर परफॉर्मिंग वेल. जिस दिन सब लोग बेचने लगेंगे वहाँ पे आपका पैसा चला जाएगा. तो आईपीओ एलोकेट हुआ है, पैसा है, बुक इट. इफ यू वांट टू कीप इट फॉर अ लॉन्गर टाइम टू सी हाउ दे आर परफॉर्मिंग, 20% रहने दीजिए, बाकी सब बुक कर लीजिए. एक दिन में तो उसकी तस्वीर चेंज नहीं होगी. फ्रॉम नेगेटिव, दे आर ऑल लॉस मेकिंग कंपनीज. दे कैन एक्सपेंड गुड, दे आर इन टू आईटी. उनका पी रेशियो बहुत हाई हो सकता है, एकदम से कुछ नया चीज़ लॉन्च करें. बट प्रेजेंटली अभी उसका फाइनेंशियल रिजल्ट देख के मेरे को तो नहीं लगता कि यू शुड होल्ड फॉर अ लॉन्गर टाइम. प्रॉफिट बुक कर लीजिए, अभी तो ऊपर गया होगा शायद. मैंने तो आईपीओ के वक्त उसका फाइनेंशियल्स पढ़ा था. आई डेंट लाइक दैट मच. रेस्ट ऑन यू, यू कैन डिसाइड. यू कैन डू कॉन्टमैन, एसबीआई गोल्ड ईटीएफ म्यूचुअल फंड. अच्छा है वो गोल्ड वन, एसबीआई गोल्ड ईटीएफ म्यूचुअल फंड. इट्स गुड इफ़ यू आर होल्डिंग फ्रॉम, आपका पता नहीं कौन मेन कब से कर रहे हैं, बट आप पहले से कर रहे होते तो अभी तक तो आप तो बहुत अच्छा पैसा बनाया होगा आपने उसमें. अभी रिसेंटली किया है चालू तो उतना नहीं है, लेकिन हाँ, यू कैन स्टिल होल्ड इट. No, no, I'll recommend it, not recommend like I can't recommend something, but yeah, on seeing it, it looks good to me. Parvat, sorry, I can't read your name. It's Parvat. Okay, Suzlon, is it right time to buy? I don't provide a buy and sell recommendation, but we did some fundamental analysis couple of days before, and it looked good to us, at least to me. Okay, तो आप देख लीजिए, बाकी तो दिख रहा है अच्छा. एंड कैश फ्लो भी अच्छा मोटा पे बैठा हुआ है. दे आर कमिंग विद सम अदर थिंग. थोड़ा एकदम से गवर्नमेंट पुश मिलेगा तो मेरे को लगता है कुछ बड़ा होने वाला हो जाएगा उसमें. इट इज़ प्रिपेयरिंग इट्स ओन बैंक, पहले से खरीद के प्रिपेयर करके विंड मिल के साथ रख रहा है. द प्रॉब्लम इज सोलर बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया दिन में, बट नाइट को अभी भी पावर कंजम्पशन पावर ग्रिड्स को चाहिए, उतना मेंटेन नहीं कर पा रहे. एंड ओनली द एनर्जी विच कैन सपोर्ट आइदर इज कोल और विंड. So I think government will come with something into this budget and it will move. But that I'm not giving you a buy or sell recommendation, but yeah, that's my understanding and analysis what I did it. Amit, hi Amit, scroll down sir. जरूर. Hello sir. Hi Manoj. Should I invest in only Nifty 50 or ads? You add man. Nifty 50 is already it's very high. The companies what they have added into Nifty 50, the PE if you'll see like Zomato and other Eternal and other, it is way high. But I am expecting some money to be flown into Nifty 50. अभी पुतिन जी आए थे, पुतिन जी और रशिया में हुआ है, and उनका one bank is there. I forgot the name. I made a video also on that, and they are going to start investing into Nifty 50. So जो हमारा differential after trading the surplus amount जो बच रहा था उनका, so they will be investing those rupees into Indian market into Nifty 50. ओके सो वो चीज़ है. तो मेरे को लगता है थोड़ा जाएगा, बट या रीबैलेंसिंग करने की ज़रूरत है निफ्टी 50 का. सो आई विल tell you go and buy large and mid, or some funds, there are some funds which have exposure into both like large and mid. वो खरीद लो आप, सबसे बढ़िया रहेगा. एक कॉम्बिनेशन है, शायद मोती उसका भी है, और दो तीन और कंपनी है जिनका लार्ज और मिड का है, उसमें आप कर सकते हो. विनोद कुमार, हाय विनोद भाई. आई हैव एससीसी शेयर बट इट 29 showing. Ari, I can hold. We'll see SCC also man. Let me note down. Grow EV stock कैसा रहे होगा सर? Grow EV, ये कौन सा कंपनी है Grow EV? I don't know. Let me check. कौन सा है Grow EV? क्या है एनएससी कोड, क्या है उसका Grow EV का? मनोज हंड्रल, थैंक यू सर. Sir, my dad bought Canara Bank shares about 20-30 years ago. We have 75 share of it. Should we convert them into digital or man, digital is required. I'm not sure, like physically, if you are keeping it, it is very much required. SEBI have circulated a lot of circulars as well. Please keep it there. I think in this financial year, government is going to merge big banks, and I think Canada they will try to propose it as a one of the biggest or one of the like main bank. Okay, out of three. So what I'm expecting, they will make three banks, and they will merge all the small PSU banks with these three big banks, and Canada will be one of them. You can definitely hold it, man. So Canada looks good to me. And I don't know why you are not converting. Please convert it from the physical. If you have the physical one, please convert it. I'm seeing Canada. It is in good like shape presently. Yep. थैंक भाई राइट एंटाइटल मीन्स व्हाट? राइट एंटाइटलमेंट क्या होता है? ओके, कैसे समझाऊं? राइट एंटाइटलमेंट एक समझ समझ लो कि वो कंपनी रेज करना चाहती है कैपिटल राइट इशू से, और वो एग्जिस्टिंग शेयर होल्डर को ही देना चाहती है, और वो उसमें क्या होता है, जो करंट वैल्यू चल रही है उससे थोड़ा कम पे डिस्काउंटेड रेट पे वो उनको देती है जो पहले से शेयर होल्डर है, ओके, उस कंपनी के। तो वो राइट एंटाइटलमेंट होता है। यू कैन बाय इट फ्रॉम बैंक एज वेल, फ्रॉम एनी ऑफ योर प्लेटफॉर्म एज वेल, इफ यू आर होल्डिंग द शेयर ऑफ द रिस्पेक्टिव कंपनी। विनोद, थैंक्स फॉर द न्यूज़ एंड ओपिनियन ब्रो। अरे नो प्रॉब्लम ब्रो। क्या एससीसी शेयर्स शोइंग सेपरेटली? हाँ, आपने खरीदा होगा राइट एंटाइटलमेंट, आपके पास वो एससीसी का शेयर होगा, उन्होंने कोई राइट एंटाइटलमेंट लेके आए होंगे, तो आप उसको बाय कर सकते हैं। उसका कोई टाइम पीरियड होगा, कुछ रिकॉर्ड डेट उन्होंने डिसाइड किया होगा, उसमें आप बाय कर सकते हैं, तो इसलिए दिखा रहा होगा। ग्रो निफ्टी ईवी एंड न्यू एज ऑटोमेटिव। ग्रो निफ्टी, निफ्टी ईवी, एक सेकेंड। Guys, please like. Meanwhile, I'm searching for this Grow Ifty. 60 people are seeing and only 8 likes. Mridla Divi, sir, please give a notification before coming live. I posted in the morning that I'm coming live. You can see if you would have subscribed my channel. I think you can see the post in your YouTube or somewhere. Like it sends a notification. If I don't apply, what will I will what will happen? Nothing will happen, man. Please, Manoj Handral, sir, please answer my previous answer. क्या है विनोद? कौन सा आंसर है आपका? सॉरी, मे बी आई मिस्ड समथिंग। Manoj, I also want to ask about physics wala share, as physics wala is one of the big competitors in the study industry and it have a huge potential in future. Should I buy them? I can't say. I don't have a history of any educational sector doing good. Okay, बहुत सारा expansion के लिए it requires a lot of money. Okay, and these type of things AI can eat it in a day. Okay, I'll tell you very frankly, being from IT, it can eat in a day. Okay, कुछ नया आ जाएगा, the training module, lot of, see, the more the material is available. एक lecturer है, तुमने हायर किया, उसने 10 लेक्चर दिया। इंडियन एजुकेशन सिस्टम कितने साल से नहीं चेंज हुआ है? सेम बुक्स, व्हाट आई लर्नड और मे बी व्हाट आई स्टडीड, मे बी द सेम थिंग इज स्टिल गोइंग इन टू द स्कूल्स। ओके, तो मेरा कहने का मतलब है कि इतने सारे टीचिंग डाटा आते जा रहा है, जितना डाटा बनते जाएगा, होते जाएगा, एनी वन कैन कम वन डे एंड बिल्ड ए आई मॉड्यूल विच कैन टीच विथ कंपेयर टू एवरी वन। ओके, तो मेरे को ये लगता है कि technology will change the education system, what I feel. Okay, whether they are technology company, no. Whether they can build a technology company, that I don't know. Okay, but I know one day one company will come, more the data they will collect it, they will buy this data, or I'm not sure, like if it went to public or something, like they will train their model, and that AI will have more capability and it can teach better than anyone else in this world. Okay, सो इट कैन चेंज. मैं रियलिस्टिक चीज़ें जहाँ दिखती है ना वहाँ पे थोड़ा पैसा लगाता हूँ. बाकी आई डोंट think for a longer time it is good, but yeah, I never know. I don't have a data also for any of the financial companies which I can like learning or educational sector companies which I can tell that बहुत अच्छा किया उन्होंने. But yeah, in short time if you are making a money it's good. Make some money, 30 40 whatever you want, book the profit, invest into some other companies. That's my perspective. You can have a different one, but yeah, मेरे को ये लगता है आप अपना ज़रूर रिसर्च कर लीजिएगा कुछ भी इन्वेस्ट करने से पहले. आई थिंक आई आंसर मनोज राइट. प्लीज आंसर माय प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन. विलेज रेड्डी. हाय मैन. हाय रेड्डी. what Reddys I heard are very rich. What you are doing like what about nifty tomorrow, up or down? I hope it will go up only, okay, because some of the positive news are there, okay. Now India is also pressurizing to remove this reciprocal 25% of the the tariff what the US imposed on it. Things are moving better, and I think it is going to be in closer state. So it can be volatile, but I think it will start with the positive only. Mridula, okay, sir, my bad. Sir. Okay, no problem. That 29 share showing separately merge on disappear. If you will buy, 29 share will be what your holding will be. Okay. If you buy them, then it will show. If you don't buy, it will go off. Vinod. Vanimalla. Sir, please comment on my question. Ma'am, sorry, I forgot. Or ma'am or sir. Can you paste it once again, please? My question. I didn't get your question. Maybe sorry I skipped it, or it's my bad. I'm reading through phone today, so maybe I have missed it. So if you can repost it, please. I'll remember if you I see in the chat. Karthik, hi Karthik. Sneha Kumari, sir, can you do a reading on India Bulls Limited? Not to invest, just to understand what's happening. India Bulls का कल भी मेरे से मॉर्निंग में किसी ने पूछा था. I'll do it in evening call. I'll do Sneha. Okay. I'll take a note. I'll do for India Bulls. Let's do for physics wala also. Let's see. Add some shares of physics wala and it is in loss of 4% as soon as. See, in it's very hard earned money, Manoj. बहुत मुश्किल से आपने कमाया होगा. फॉर फ्यूचर ग्रोथ या दे आर एक्सपेंडिंग, दे आर ओपनिंग स्कूल, ऑल दिस थिंग. बहुत सारे लोग आए, बहुत सारे लोगों ने किया. कोई भी इतने बड़ी मतलब आप देख रहे हो इतने बड़े बड़े बिजनेसमैन है, यदि ये प्रॉफिटेबल कहीं से दिखता है ये सब कूद जाते हैं उसमें. ठीक है, ये ड्यूरिंग कोविड इट इज अ बूम, दे हैव लाइक एक्सपेंडेड इट, दैट्स आल्सो ओके. बट फ्यूचर में आप पूछोगे कि मेरे को 10 साल के लिए मैं पैसा लगा दूं क्या, मेरे को नहीं लगता. मैंने कभी देखा भी नहीं कोई इतना हिस्टोरिकल डाटा किसी भी और भी देशों का देख रहा हूँ, तो आई डेंट फाइंड एनीथिंग लाइक एक एजुकेशनल सेक्टर में इतना बड़ा पैसा लगा. बहुत अच्छी अच्छी कंपनी है मनोज भाई. Is it 90 lakhs? Yes, in for 007 it is 90. I have another holding into my mutual fund which is of near about 53. Let me check. I think yeah, it's a 53 lakhs and 90 into the stocks. Guys, please like it. I think more than 700 people saw, but I can see only 10 likes. Not sure what it takes to do a like. If you like it, and if I am helping you in any of the way, okay, please like it. But rupees low. Village ready. What is let me go up. Sorry, village ready. What about Nifty tomorrow? But rupees low. It's okay. As soon as this trade deal will be finalized, you will see the dollar coming flowing into the country. If the dollar flow, the rupees will come down and it will become more stronger than that. And there are a couple of other things also which are going to factor it. The BRIC nations have introduced one new currency, cryptocurrency called as unit, and that will be used between the trade of this BRIC nation, Brazil, Russia, India, China and South अफ्रीका. तो वो भी डॉलर का वैल्यू इम्पैक्ट करेगा. डॉलर इज समवॉट सैचुरेटेड व्हाट आई फील. जस्ट वेट एंड वॉच, इट विल गो डाउन. Grow Nifty, Grow Nifty will do it in evening. Even New Age Automotive. Bro, what about and some stocks with build infrastructure? REIT government is trying to push it. Now they have allowed SEBI also have allowed them to, like mutual funds, to buy REIT. Good names are Embassy. These are people are good in that. Uh, with time it will scale it. Yeah, but presently there are other good options. If you want to buy and go for other options, but yeah, if your mutual fund is holding, then it's okay. Manoj, hi Manoj. Vinod, bhai, SCC RE share can sold or hold. You can't RE if you have not purchased, you can't sold it. How about Lenskart and Colgate? Colgate, yesterday we did it. कोलगेट से अच्छा मेरे को अभी डाबर और वो लग रहा है. कल किया था पतंजलि इन्फर 007. लेंस कार्ड नो एवेल्यूएशन जब उसका आईपीओ आया था तो बहुत हाई लगा था. मैंने उसके बाद कुछ पढ़ा नहीं उसके बारे में क्या हुआ है. आई हर्ड दैट दे हैव अनाउंस्ड अ गुड रिजल्ट, बट आईपीओ के आने के बाद एक क्वार्टर का रिजल्ट सब कंपनी का अच्छा होता है. यू हैव टू वॉच फॉर 2-3 मोर क्वार्टर्स, देन ओनली यू इन्वेस्ट. कई लेगेसी कंपनीज पड़ी हैं जो 20-20 साल से अच्छा रिजल्ट कर दे रही हैं. द प्रॉब्लम इज पीपल नाउ डेज ओनली फोकसिंग ऑन दिस टाइप ऑफ कंपनीज. हाँ, मैं समझता हूँ दे आर कमिंग विथ न्यू ब्रेन्स, न्यू माइंड, न्यू type of energy they have different type of business. But yeah, what still feel, this older companies who are from the ages doing constantly good will make more money than this. रिस्क है वाला है वो, रिस्क और रिवार्ड वाला रेशियो है इन पर. तो आप लगाओगे लेंस कार्ड में तो पता नहीं, आप अपना एनालिसिस कर लेना. बट आईपीओ से पहले जब मैंने रेड इट, आई डेंट फाइंड दैट मच गुड, सो आई डेंट इन्वेस्टेड इनटू द आईपीओ इटसेल्फ. Vani Mukkal, I posted again, sir. Where is Vani Mukkal? Grow Nifty EV, new age automotive. Let's do it. Just give me 1 second. Meanwhile, guys, like it. Okay. Like and subscribe if you're new to my channel. Meanwhile, I'll do this. Grow Nifty EV. पता नहीं आप लोग क्यों इन्वेस्ट करके बैठे हैं इस पे. 1 second, let me open Grow Nifty EV. And new age automotive. एक ईटीएफ का इतना ज़्यादा एक्सपेंस रेशियो होना सही नहीं है. आई डोंट नो बट होल्डिंग इज गुड. सही है मतलब. If you're happy with your investment, keep holding it. Doesn't look like for me, I'm not that much attractive towards it. Like for me, it's okay. वनी मला. सो आप कर सकते हैं ये, यू कैन होल्ड इट. और बहुत और ऑप्शंस है मेरे हिसाब से. बिग मनी बिग प्रॉफिट. कंदुलजा. सॉरी इफ आई एम नॉट प्रोनाउंसिंग इट योर नेम. कंदुला. जॉर्जी. Infer, thank you, sir. I can predict BTC movement without using trend lines or indicator. Great, sir. I don't do BTC. I don't do. I have some crypto, but it's very minimal of my complete portfolio. Marcus prediction, new subscriber. Thanks a lot, Marcus. Hey guys, please subscribe it. How many people? Still no. It's 11 likes only. When I went, it was the same. Please like it, guys. Like and subscribe. Can Keynes buy at current level? Yes, yesterday we did it. I'm not giving you a buy or sell recommendation, but for me, as per what we analysis we did it, it's still at a good value. You can buy it if you want. Do your analysis before you buy, but yeah, based on the fundamentals, it looks good to us. Technical, nothing is supporting presently on technical chart. So Umesh, do your analysis, but yeah, अभी कंपनी ठीक है. उस मनी पे तो सही है, अच्छा है. देवाशीष प्रधान. टू 25,800 पी होल्ड है. बी टी एस टी एनी. आई डेंट गेट इट ब्रो. व्हाट इट इज ब्रो. व्हेन डिड यू स्टार्ट ऑन दिस? Regarding what you are asking about my YouTube channel or on investment? Valley Arch. Rohit Menon, NTPC or NTPC Green? I can tell you what my analysis tell. I am not giving you buy and sell recommendation. I will tell you, NTPC is far better. What I am feeling it presently on fundamentals. Okay, I'm quoting it based on the fundamental. I feel NTPC is it good with compared to the NTPC green. But yeah, you can do your analysis before you buy. मुझे ज़ीरो से सीखनी है. एम जय. हाय जय. ज़ीरो से सीखनी है. यू कैन लर्न मैन. लाइक always it's zero when you do something, right? So wherever you start it, I think we discussed based on the audience, we discussed multiple couple of things which are from zero, I think so. वहाँ से आपको हेल्प मिल सकती है, वहाँ से आप सीख सकते हैं. तो कहीं पे भी कहीं से भी स्टार्ट करिए, वो ज़ीरो से ही स्टार्ट होता है और एवरी डे इट विल कीप ऑन इंक्रीजिंग गाइज. तो वो बढ़ता ही रहेगा. तो ऑलवेज इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम ज़ीरो. आई थिंक नाउ यू आर नॉट ऑन ज़ीरो, बट कुछ तो देखा होगा, कुछ तो समझा होगा, कुछ तो आपको फील हुआ होगा. तो इट कीप ऑन इम्प्रूविंग. तो ज़ीरो से आप ऊपर आ गए हैं, आप पहले ज़ीरो पे थे. इन्वेस्टमेंट भाई, कैन यू प्लीज एक्सप्लेन स्क्रीनर यूजर्स यस्टरडे? वी डिड इट विनोद इन मॉर्निंग. स्क्रीनर का in evening, some of the people on the insta who requested, they asked like they will be available on evening, so we'll do again on evening and we will take some other examples to figure out the good stock. So in evening I'll start it again at 10 or 10:30. I'm not sure. No problem, you know, we can do it again in evening. When did you start your investment in grow? Valley Arc. I started, let me show you. I started in the year of 2021. 2021 में चालू किया था मैंने वैली. I had another channel, like I stopped that because of YouTube. Some problem happened, and then later on, from 1.5 year, I was not doing investment, so I was not active. Now I have started again, so like I came on YouTube as well to share my journey. Monthly, how much you invest? भाई जितना खर्चा निकाल के जो बच जाता है वो मैं इन्वेस्ट कर देता हूँ. Almost like in mutual funds, I invest near about 1.2 to 1.4 lakhs. And stock हमेशा नहीं खरीदता, हर महीने नहीं खरीदता. But yeah, I do it based on the time when I see things are moving, the volume shockers or more volumes are coming into the market. I start it. Nice, bad brother. Okay. Guys, please like it and subscribe it. I'll be back. I'll bring some water and I'll be back in 5 minutes. Meanwhile, you please like and subscribe. Let's see at least कितना 60 लोग देख रहे हैं, तो 60 likes तो at least. Let's see. Let's make it 60 likes, then we will continue after that. And please subscribe it. Meanwhile, and you can go on my channel to check how I am progressing. मेरा टारगेट है 2 करोड़ करना है मेरे को मार्च 2026 तक. तो आपको यदि उस जर्नी को देखना है, पहले मैंने अपने पुराने चैनल में किया था फ्रॉम 0 to 1 करोड़. पहला करोड़ बनाना हमेशा मुश्किल होता है, इट टेक्स लॉट ऑफ टाइम. सो 4 years में किया था वो. नाउ फ्रॉम 1 करोड़ आई एम प्लानिंग टू डू इट 1.5 year. फिर 2 से 4 करेंगे अपन विद इन 1 year. And then from there we will keep on growing. So let's do it. If you want to see all complete journey, please like and subscribe it. अभी अपना टारगेट 2 करोड़ का है, मार्च 2026 तक. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Post your questions, guys. Meanwhile, what is your YouTube name, guys? It's the Money Mind. You will be seeing their option to subscribe it, I think. I'm not sure. Yeah, it will be there. The name will be coming at the top. It is there, right? I think it comes on the top somewhere. Yeah, there you can click and you can subscribe it if I'm not wrong. YouTube का नाम है द मनी माइंड. पुराना भी वैसा ही था, और दिस टाइम आई हैव एडेड वी एज वेल देयर. आई एम बैक गाइस. इट्स सेम 14 लाइक्स. क्या फ्रेंड्स, क्या है? Can't you like it? Just like it. Double click on it. Double tap, whatever you call. मंथली हाउ मच यू इन्वेस्टेड? म्यूचुअल फंड में 1.2 लाख से 1.3 लाख, और स्टॉक नहीं खरीदता हूँ हर मंथ। आई वेट फॉर द गुड टाइम एंड देन ओनली आई इन्वेस्ट। अभी लास्ट मंथ में मैंने लगभग 20 लाख का स्टॉक खरीदा है। You have 27 stocks right now. Game Studio X, what is your selection criteria? बहुत सारे पैरामीटर्स हैं भाई। पी रेशो, promoter holding, DI, FI, year on year sales growth, ROCE, then how the company is doing, from which industry it belongs to, what are the previous three performance, what is the management like commentary, and what their expectation or their commitment for the upcoming years. All these things I see before I invest it. Are you in an intraday trader? So no, I don't do trading, man. I don't recommend also. My channel is full for long-term investors. Okay. I have tried, but it's not my cup of tea. मैं नहीं कर पाता, और ना मेरे को उतना अच्छा आता है. I always made, like, not always, like whenever I tried, I made some losses. So I don't do now. I don't buy. I don't do string also. Definitely, that's very much important. Delivery quantity. Sometimes in market people plays with it, so you have to see. एक पहले दिन ही नहीं खरीद लेता, एक दो दिन ट्रैक करता हूँ, फिर जाके उसको एक दो दिन बाद खरीदता हूँ, ऐसा है। चाहे जितना भाग जाए, 50% भी भाग जाए, तो मेरे को कोई वो नहीं है। बट स्टिल इफ इट इज फॉलोइंग अंडर माई क्राइटेरिया फॉर 2 days, देन ओनली आई गो एंड बाय इट। आई हैव लॉट ऑफ पेशेंस। आराम से करता हूँ, मतलब। Guys, please like it. You are on look for delivery. I guess you add or buy on monthly candles. No, I'm not a technical, like, I don't see technical graphs. I go to NSC or BSC site, see what is the delivery quantity there, and based on that I do. I have my own Excel with some certain formulas where I keep on putting for 3 days, and the same pattern I follows for 3 days continuously. And if I see something, then if it is following my all the criteria, then I buy it. Guys, please, like, let's do it 30, then only we will discuss. Then we'll do quickly for some of the screeners, and let's do it near about 30 likes quickly, guys. How much delivery percent you look on month end in a desired stock? It should be good. High can be because of multiple reasons, whether they are pushing it, like selling it anonymously, or maybe somebody is buying. So I look for near about like my criteria, like what I made it near about 60 to 70%. Then I go for it. Hi guys, do you have any question, or should we close and we will meet again in evening? No question, right? Okay guys, then thanks a lot for joining, and we'll meet in evening by 10 p.m., 10:30 p.m. near about. And thanks a lot, and take care of yourself, and see you there. Bye. Thank you. Let me answer. Game studio. Do you have any other source of income to add more stocks and quantity? Yes, I do. Yeah, I haven't made the money all from the stocks. I have a job. I do a job. Like I'm a software engineer, so that's my main profession. And I started this long time before as a part time, or as a like, it's like interacting with the people. It's my hobby, and set a target and to achieve it. So that's the same thing I did it in my previous channel also, and here also I'm doing the same. So I want to just share my journey with everyone, like how you can achieve it. So anything is possible. So when I moved from zero to 1 CR, how I made it, I showed each and everything there. It was a tough. First year will be very tough, then things will be good. So I was near about 2 CR, and then I did lot of profit booking before this 2022, sorry, 24, and and again I'm back into market to make it 2 CR. Hope I answered your question, game Studio X. You all can join me on my journey, and from there, like 2 CR, my 2027 target will be near about 3 or 3.5 CR. This is good time to invest. Every time is good. You have to just pick a good stock. Glad to talk to you. Happy investing. Same here, bro. And I think YouTube should start something as a two-way conversation as well. Bunny Malla, NTPC Green. Yeah, you can hold it, but NTPC is in a favorable state than in NTPC Green. So if you're not making losses, I think there are a couple of other good stocks where you can invest it. Bro, scroll down, please. How much percentage of one's salary should invest monthly? Depend. For everyone, it depends how much need, like family size, what all are your expenses, are you only to the source like bread earner in your family, or if you are having like 2% or 3%, it all depends on that criteria. I can't tell you directly like how much percentage you should invest it, but yeah, more you invest, more the amount you'll be able to grow it. So yeah, keep investing, keep growing the amount. If I ideally, if I take that one husband, one wife, and you are only earning with one small kid, you're about 30 to 40% of your salary. If you can do it, if you are able to live your life comfortably, satisfying everyone's need, yes, you can do. Bull rider, uh, nice name, man. You're a bull rider. We need a bull market. And this is my mutual fund. I have ETF, and I do into my separate portfolio, which I spoke in the beginning. I I do in my up stocks, other places, and mutual fund investment I'm showing on my screen. So I do mutual fund investment, and crypto I do, but it's a very minimal one. बहुत छोटा amount है भाई. मृदुला द्विवेदी, can you give example and explain किस चीज़ का? How much percentage one salary should invest in monthly? That depends. If you can tell me that after satisfying like complete family need, you're saving something, and then how much after that I should invest, you should divide your portion into multiple things. You are the best person to know your family, like how the family is and what all needs they have, what is the urgent need or upcoming needs. So there is not a any fixed formula for it, but yeah, based on multiple parameters, you can decide it. So always have some emergency fund, means liquid fund, some solid, means some fixed assets, okay, and then rest you can invest it. And that also, if you're a beginner, go with mutual fund, and later on you can start with stocks and other like instruments, investment instruments. So just one thing, like keeping money into the saving, it's better to invest into the some mutual fund or other places if you don't have any short come need, because you already kept your emergency fund at some separate place. On average, a family of four, middle class. In family of four, how many people are earning? If it is one person, again it will depend like what expenses, what type of life are you living. I've seen couple of people who earn 1 lakh and can save 50,000. I've seen couple of people that in 1 lakh also they are not able to save a single amount of money. So it all depends on like what's your uh, family need. So how long have been I'm investing it from 2021, brother. Yeah, 2021. I realized a lot of things, because earlier I was doing FD and a lot of other like property or all those things, and later on I realized that I should do this as well. Rajesh Guru Murthy. Hi Rajesh, what's your opinion about silver ETF? It's good. Buy. I can't give a buy sell recommendation, but yeah, it looks promising to me. I do. I have. Any commodity, this type of commodity, it's going to use into electronics a lot of places. It's going to have a good value. You can see near around, right? Now government have started like they can give loan on silvers as well, so it's making its value. You got it like Game Studio X. You can go for it like if you want. Guys, please like. More than 900 people watched and it's 17 likes. Please like it. Like and subscribe it, guys. We want to grow our this channel as well. Last one from YouTube it went off, but we have to make it again this near about 1 CR with 1 CR subscriber. Battery Royal High. Was it lump sum or SIP? SIP on a SIP basis only. I can show you my graph. I can show you my graph, investment graph. It looks like SIP only, right? This one, and for the stocks, for stock also I do in like a SIP basis only. If market is slow, I don't do. If market like you can see the when market was booming in 2020, I invested heavily. Then from 1.5 year, I'm silent. Like I did nothing. I just do it profit booking wherever I got an opportunity. And now I'm coming back again. I'll invest near about 1 CR again this year, more than 1 CR. Investing 60K on Maruti Suzuki or in multiple sectors. Hmm. What's your need? Any target you have or not sure? Multiple. Better you buy SIP of mid and small. Sorry, mid and large. Mid and large is going to do good, guys. Remember this. Mid and large are going to do good this year. Sir, can you tell how to select an SIP? Yesterday we did it. What need you have? EV4 trades. Mridula Divedi, please see my message. Which message, ma'am? Came Studio X. Okay, bro. Uh, Chintu, investing in stocks is better you buy a mutual fund, man. One more question. Do you have investment in dividend stocks to get monthly passive? I think I made some. Let me see. How much dividend I made this year? Near about 54,000. Last year it was near about 1 lakh something. I was holding REC and a couple of other companies as well. On average, what I know when I used to file my income tax, what I have seen, I make in dividend income near about in a year near about like 70 to 80,000. So yes, I do hold. Need 5 to 8K investment on stocks. not SIP. Oh man, I don't recommend the stocks. We did analyze some couple of stocks today and yesterday as well. Based on your risk, you can go and buy. You can have a like look of those videos. Just go through those stocks and evaluate it, and you can buy. But there are a couple of them, Chandu. In night also we are going to evaluate lot of other stocks. So I think based on whatever you feel it good, you have to identify the sector which you see as promising for upcoming like 2 or 3 year horizon, and based on that you can do it, man. Guys, please like and subscribe. Okay guys, we'll meet in evening at 10:30. We will find out some good stocks as well. And thanks a lot everyone for joining. Have a nice day.